Okay, this building was constructed in 1939 as part of this installation. This area we're on now is Jupiter Inlet Lighthouse and Museum, but back in the day it was part of a federal reservation that had been established by Franklin Pierce in 1854. And of course, for the construction of the lighthouse and the control of the lighthouse and the installations that surrounded the support of the lighthouse. We saw the inside of this building. This was the married man's quarters. That's what it was known as. It's pretty exciting. It holds a museum now and the gift shop for the lighthouse and where you pay. This talks about everything I've just said, only in much more intelligently than I could say it. There were 6 two-bedroom apartments. Each had a brick fireplace. There was a continuous screened first floor porch facing the inlet. So, in a lot of ways, this would not have been bad duty. In a lot of ways, it would have. I mean, you come out here on a regular day, night, you're going to get devoured with mosquitoes. I'll just run down the side of the building here. It's not even 100 years old, so this is pretty, but it's still here and they're still using it. There's the fireplaces. So imagine one side would have one side would have had the other. So it would have been 6 two-bedroom apartments. That would be pretty spacious, I would imagine. Pretty cool stuff. Pretty. And even in 1939, this would have been sparsely populated.